If you use ChatGPT regularly, one of the smartest things you can do is turn on two-factor authentication, or 2FA, to protect your account. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up 2FA for ChatGPT using Google Authenticator, step by step, so you can add an extra layer of security in just a few minutes. This is a simple process, but it's important to do it carefully so you don't lose access. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy software guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to chatgpt.com, then log in to your ChatGPT account. Once you're inside, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This opens your account options. From there, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, find the Security tab in the sidebar and click it. This is where ChatGPT keeps the options for account protection and multi-factor authentication. Now, look for the option that says Enable next to multi-factor authentication and click it. As soon as you do that, ChatGPT will show you a QR code on the screen along with a backup text key. This part is very important, so do not close this window. You'll need it to connect your Authenticator app. Now switch over to your phone and open the Google Authenticator app. If you don't already have it installed, you'll want to download it first before continuing. In the app, tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner to add a new account. You'll usually see a few setup options, and for this method, choose the option to scan a QR code. Point your phone's camera at the QR code that ChatGPT is showing on your computer screen. Once it recognizes the code, tap Add in Google Authenticator. After that, you'll see a 6-digit code generated inside the app. This code changes every 30 seconds, which is what makes 2FA so secure. Now go back to the ChatGPT window on your computer. Enter the current 6-digit code exactly as it appears in Google Authenticator. Make sure you type it in before the timer changes, and if it refreshes, just use the new code. Then click Verify. If the code is correct, ChatGPT will confirm that two-factor authentication has been turned on successfully. At this point, your account is much better protected, because even if someone gets your password, they still won't be able to log in without your authentication code. It's also a good idea to save the backup key somewhere safe in case you ever lose access to your phone. That backup key can help you recover your account later, so treat it like a password and keep it in a secure place. And that's it. You've now set up 2FA for ChatGPT with Google Authenticator. Your account is now more secure, and logging in will be much safer moving forward. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.